Welcome once again to Dephemberember 2022. Today is December the 21st, and our prompt for this project is button and tea bag. The animal for today is the kangaroo. And these are my materials, and what I have in mind is an inspiration like on the tea bag. So I have this, actually it's not the tea bag, but it's the outer envelope, and I love it because of the purple and yellow and the plants in here. Also, I want to incorporate this clock here because it's kind of related with the time or the hour for the tea, so we're gonna have that. I have the buttons here. These are two special ones, and also I have this big kangaroo and another tiny one there. I'll probably going to be using just this one. That is lovely and I like it. And also I cut these cups of tea that we can pile one into another, like starting from the bigger one at the bottom and then going up, following like something cool like this way. So we're going to have like 3 cups, one inside the other one. So, and also I have this labeled here and this stamp like from a leaf, like from a plant to make tea. And this nice paper with a lot of leaves, butterflies, and flowers. So I also was inspired by this prompt in this bag. So it's all about bags, tea bags and bags. So I love this paper bag. I started placing this coffee dye paper here, like to make it more stiff and to make it a border. And now I'm going to go with this on the size of the bag. So here what I'm going to do is like going around with my glue. This is water glue, common water glue, and then I'm going to place this here to give it like a different touch and a different finished touch. So I can either go around. Oh, look, this is the perfect size. I can't believe it. So I'm just going to go here. So the idea is to have this in a journal as a bag for a tea bag theme, but also as a pocket where you can keep stuff. Like, look at here. You can also have tags. So actually you can keep this real tea bags after using them. You can coffee dye them, you can paint them. They're super nice and super fun. So this is my project so far. I'm gonna trim this. I can also fold it. Let's fold it better so I don't have to. Well, yes, it's a better, it gives it a little finished if you fold it than if you cut it, because then you have the border is finished here. It has like a final nice folded touch there. And I have this for that size. Okay, so this is my bag. It's already all covered with this nice black and white paper, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to add colors now with my elements like the buttons and also the clock. So I'm not sure about where to place. Well, of course the tea bag is gonna go first here, and I'm probably going to cover the center of the bag using my clock. What do you think? That is nice. I also like it. And I can have my kangaroo coming, probably popping out, jumping out of the bag here. I can do that. Or just place it on top of the buttons there. So I can probably go with this. I'm not sure. Let me see what idea comes to my head in this moment. So I have purple here, and then I have yellow, and also I have yellow on this cup. What about having this cup there? Oh, this is nice. So I can have that. and give it a little bit more color. Or I can also have the kangaroo coming out from the tea bag, from the cup. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the cup here, like the teacup there. This is actually open just in case you wanna hang another cup from there, and actually it's cut here so you can actually place something there. And I'm going to place this nice tea bag, so it's going to go there. Let me just add some glue. And all these are, you know, little ephemeras that you can collect from your house. You don't have to spend any money, and it's going to be a nice project. You'll see that we have space to add also a tag coming out from here. So what we can do is, I don't know if moth has to do something with tea, but we can have these moths coming out from there. They're kind of small. The pocket is a little bit small, so I'm looking for something. Oh, this is perfect. So I coffee dyed these papers here, so I'm just going to cut them so they can fit in the tea bag. I have 2 of them, so we have extra space for journaling, and I love that detail on the top of the little papers. So what I need now is to place the buttons. They are going, before I do anything, I'm going to place the kangaroo popping out from there, from the bag. I really want the kangaroo to show its tail, but I don't think it's going to be possible because the 2 back legs are going to be inside. Oh yes, it is, because I love the detail of the tail. And I'm probably going to go with the buttons here so I can have more contrast on this side there. Yes, I love it. This is really, really nice. This prompt has been one of my favorite ones so far. My favorite ones. I love them all, and it's too bad that we're really close from day 25, so this is going to be ending pretty soon. But this has been amazing and very, very fun to follow this idea from Barbara. Her YouTube channel is 49 Dragonflies, just in case you want to check and see where this idea is coming from. So, and now I'm going to go with the tail. I want it really nice and outside of the cup because it's a detail. You know that they use this tail as a way to jump, so they get more impulse, like pushing the tail through the ground, so they jump higher and higher. And to end this project, I'm going to have this nice label all wrapped around here. So there, or probably, no, wait a minute. I'm going to have it coming out from the cup. And actually, we have a quote here. He who wants a rose must respect the thorn. And I have another one. Plant kindness and gather love. So probably that. Oh, I have a last one here. Let me see this one. From a small seed, a mighty trunk may grow. I love this one. So this is going to go inside the cup. And you will see how. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue on the thread here. Let's do it with my fingers, always faster. And I want this to come out from the cup. So I'm gonna push it a little bit, like so, and glue it here. Wow, I am in love with this. I don't know if I'm going to go with the clock or the I don't think this can probably go on one of these corners, but I don't have anything red here. So probably what I can do is place it here as a surprise. So when you take out the little paper, the notepad, you can be surprised by the time for tea that is going to be here on the bottom part in this nice and cute little notepad there. So I'm sticking this here, and I think that my project is ready. Let me know, what do you think about this wonderful project we have today? I think it's beautiful and it's super, super nice. So if we go here on our prompt list, we can say that day 21 is ready, and we just check it. Oh, I can't believe it. We just have 4 more days to finish this amazing journey of these ephemeras. And oh, before I go, I forgot to place some of these leaves. So I'm gonna place some of them because it's all related to tea. And actually I have another bag so I can press better here. So what about giving some leaves around here and probably around there? I think this is wonderful. I am really in love with this project. So now I consider that my project is ready. This is my final touch with the leaves. Is a nice stamp I have, and the surprise is time to come and have a cup of tea. So I hope you enjoy it, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye. Bye friends. Bye bye.